Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, like I always like to start. So I am using quite a bit of fibs here. So this fib right here, 46 grand, I'm using from the high of 2017, December 2017 to the to around December 18, December 17 of 2018, and then these other ones right here I'm using from an extension from the low of September 13 or so 2017 to the high of around June 25th of 2019 to the low of around March 13 of 2020. That's how I'm coming up with those fibs right here. And I am coming up with this other fibs from, let me just zoom in a little bit. I am using the high that we created January 8th of 2021 to this low right there of about January 24th. So the bull flag played out perfectly fine, as I mentioned. This was when Elon decided, hey, tweeted about Bitcoin, and then I kind of got concerned this date on the 31st, but then the bull flag played out just fine. Now, where is this going now? By the way, guys, if you guys like the videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel, trying to help everyone how to make shackles in the crypto market. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, there's a lot of attention currently at this 50,000 level. So we almost broke the 50,000 level, and then we pulled back. And then today we had that reversal, and now we're pulling back. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, our support is going to be 45 grand. Between 46.6 and then 45 grand. If we were to pull back, in the next couple days, then I'm gonna say that big support is 41,000, because by then this 20-day moving average will catch up to it. So usually the moving averages want to be kind of close. The one thing that kind of concerns me about the crypto market is it's very overdone. The moving averages are kind of far away, so we just have to keep that in mind. I mean, look at the 200-day moving average is about 19 or so, 19,000, 20,000, close to 20 grand. So I'm not saying that'll happen, but it could possibly have a massive pullback if that's the case, and then everything else will go down with it. And because everyone will start panicking. So just keep that in mind. I mean, we got to be very proactive in these markets right now because it has rallied hard. So we just don't want to make sure that your trades don't turn into a loser. So keep that in mind, guys. Also, let's look at the weekly chart, see how how's that doing. So on the weekly chart, look at this. Now, we are very, very far from the 200-day moving average. I mean, we're talking about 9,000, 10,000. So, as you know, this is crypto, so we could have a huge pullback. Is it likely? Could happen, but very unlikely right now. The whole market is very bullish. I mean, look at this last candle right here. Just a skyrocket. And by the way, guys, you guys requested, we deliver. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. If you need more aside from the YouTube channel, that's where you need to be. We created a live version, which is just technical analysis, and we created a pro version, which not only is technical analysis, but I get to hold your hand at all times. So go and check it out, Easy Crypto Pro. I'll put it down on the description below, and also go and check out my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca, and subscribe. And go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro. So go ahead and check that out. And looking at the weekly chart, I mean, as long as if this week, I mean, the week ends in 6 days and 1 hour. So if this week we manage to close above 50 grand, which I think what will happen is we're going to overshoot the 50 grand. So we're going to hit objective 4, which is 53.3. Then we might see a pullback. So we just have to be very careful there, guys. So keep that in mind here. And that will make very, very bullish. I mean, we're talking about if that's the case, we're more likely going to blast through objective 4 and hit 60,000. And looking at the futures too, it does look very, very bullish. On the monthly chart, I mean, this monthly chart is also extremely bullish. I mean, look at this candle. I mean, the month is still going to close in 13 days, but we have come a long ways. 33 grand to 47,000 currently. So bullish overall. Let's go back to the daily chart. So there's probably going to be a lot of positions, a lot of stops around the 50,000 level. So I think that's why we're going to overshoot to 53. And if that's the case, or support or big support will come 46,000. So if we were to break 50, go to 53, and stay above 46, we're still in good shape for another leg higher. If that's not the case, if we just go to 53 and then break below 46, and then I'll be kind of concerned if that is the case. So by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.